Our boys are back Wednesday, April 15th. No trades yet again. So, coming into the day, I was bullish, higher time frame, super bullish. Price had a good retrace into that little range. Took London New Day open, or London open. And then into the day, we saw. Hang on. What did we see? Okay, price slipped out this data high. So there I was like, okay, we could see a reversal, but higher time frame trend still bullish. We displaced through the data high. And then what did price do? Come market open. Come market open. We came out, pumped up, closed above this high, and then we came down, swept out, broke structure. However, this was nothing to me because the higher time frame is bullish, and this just counted as my sweep. Made a bullish SMT off this 5-minute low. I kind of wanted to see these relative equal lows get hit and then a reversal higher, but that never happened. And immediately after, price inverse this 5-minute on ES. Our leading was NQ. And we had a 4-hour gap here to be completely filled, and then these stacked up 4-hour highs on NQ. So really what I was looking for here was a good pullback and continuation. The problem is this was at 10 o'clock and I was already not very confident because what I thought is this move was already pretty significant. It was a 100-point move and we were kind of chopped up. So what happened was we got I believe a 1-minute bullish SMT. Where is this? Yeah, we got the 1-minute bullish SMT of this low, so this low to this low, and this low up here. And then after we closed above this high, I was like, okay, we could possibly, or no. After we closed above this high, I was like, okay, we could possibly enter here, targeting the complete fill of the 4-hour. But because of this chop, I was super not confident. And then again, I could have entered yet again. We broke to the downside, giving a decent pullback. Then immediately after we broke to the upside, this could have been my entry. Stops, even wide stops at this 1-minute SMT, or I could have taken it at this 1-minute low for a 1 to 2. Unfortunately, again, I was not confident. I really should have taken it. Just the trend was so strong. I was just like, this chop right here where we just like kind of like came down, doji wicks, then came back up, then came back down. It really wasn't making me confident. And you could kind of see the price did end up like chopping a little bit. So I was right in that narrative. And then a complete 4-hour fill wasn't a great draw. So that's why I didn't take those trades. But could have made money today. Knew where market wanted to go. But anyway, I'm super confident today. Backtesting is going to go great today because I just watched a fucking PB Blake video. So locked. A couple things I learned. Okay, this is like a whole. It's horrible, boys. It's really not going good. However, I'm locked. I'm so locked. We're gonna be so back. I'm not gonna take stupid trades. I'm gonna look at the higher time frame gaps. That's okay. Yeah, what I was saying. I need to look at higher time frame gaps that align with the trend. And like I already know this shit, but like it just helps to affirm in my mind because right now it's going rough. So I need to look at the trend. I need to look at update, of course, the trend, the gaps, and where the lower time frames are displacing. And like all this stuff, yeah, I already should know. But like again, it's all that in my mind. So gaps, trend, and lower time frame displacement. Because the lower time frame displacement will really help me see, because like markets obviously, if it displaces lower strongly, that's probably a signal that we're going lower. So we have Asia highs. We do have a bearish S&T. A higher time frame. We have a rejection of this 4-hour. Our time frame strongly bullish. Yeah, good retrace on NQ. We broke hourly structure to the upside, but we're in this hourly gap. We're just displacing higher at this point. I'm more open to longs, especially what's today, August 19th. August 19th. Okay, I'm doing 2 weeks today, by the way. Displacing higher, I really want to see. We do have that bearish S&T. However, higher time frame holds higher power. Let's skip to the open. Okay, beautiful. 5-minute inverse off open, showing direction. Oh my god, stop texting me. So we're more bearish here. We're just leaving Asia highs with a stronger trend. Really leaning more bullish, and then we could take. That's actually Asia high, and this is just a really high. We could take those highs to invalidate the bearish S&T. Let's take a look at what market wants to do. Possible bullish S&T off all of these 5-minute lows. Okay, taking that 30-minute low. So we took out these lows. We do have London lows below. Is this NQ? Okay, so it's kind of worrying me a little bit that we're so much more bearish. Again, I really don't think market needs to pull back any more than this. We already got a pretty good retrace. So all I'm going to be waiting for some sort of opportunity. Yeah, so we inverse this 1 minute. And we also inverse. I'm going to go ahead and try this out here. Wider stops. Okay, actually, no. Put it at the body of that lowest wick. Yeah, just because, again, this is what PB's teaching me. Is we look at the higher time frame trend, and the thing TJR was saying is don't trade when the indexes aren't aligned. The indexes aren't aligned. However, on the higher time frame, they are pretty much aligned. I mean, rejection of the 4-hour, continuation up, and then another little retrace within this consolidation range. I don't really think, especially after taking all this low resistance liquidity, making a bullish S&T off of it, I really don't think price needs to continue lower. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out. To take profits. One at this high here. Gosh. Gotta be joking. Like, why do I... Okay. Still potential for a re-entry. This could just be a retrace. We did actually end up inversing this 5-minute, even though we had one above. So this could just be a retrace. Looking at this 1-minute gap. Break. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and re-enter. Stops at this low. Realistically, we should hit the highs right away. Oh my days. Oh my days. Watch this price deliver straight to take profit, bro. Like, it was a good execution, man. I'm just getting fucking railed, bro. Okay. Execution, just out correct. Highest reading would have hit. I don't even want to journal that. Just because I'm getting actually so pressed, bro. You know what? It's fine. I had the correct analysis. I really just need to focus on taking one trade per day. It's just that the bias was so intact, bro. I am down so fucking much, bro. This is like the worst backtesting month I've ever had in my life. London highs above, no news. We took Asia lows filling in this 4 hour. Higher time frame wise, you have this new week opening gap we're respecting. Our time frame trend is just really bullish. We don't really have external draws to target. I want to see how market ends up opening. We open bullish. Okay. Rate retrace in this 4 hour. I mean, I feel like, especially with this displacement, it's super obviously bullish. And then we have all these stacked low resistance highs. And this is just with the displacement. Really think price was probably gonna run there without us. Okay, hopefully we come back into that 5 minute. Nope. Nope, no retrace at all. Those were a bunch of stacked low resistance liquidity. We are still rejecting another 4 hour, making higher highs, higher lows. Man, took every single draw. If we close below this low, I'm gonna go ahead and take that down to this 5 minute low. Let me see if we have a 15 minute. 5 minute low, 15 minute gap. Actually, this is a breakaway gap. Why would price want to retrace into that? Never ended up inversing that gap. Yeah, we ended up filling that 15 minute. Damn, no entries here. Okay, all good. Bro, I mean, I was so confident I lose the 30% win rate. It's the worst shit I've ever had, bro. Fucking TJR. Can't even blame my mentor, bro. It's me. It's me revenge trading. 30-minute high. Okay. We have stacked Asia lows, London lows, and these great draws below. We did come up and take Asia highs, which you gotta be aware of. Took this 30-minute high. Next high to the upside is significantly further away. In this consolidation range, I'm gonna see how market opens. Okay, I'm actually leaning very bearish. We are inside this hourly. Do have all these just really great draws. We're leading on here on this bearish SMT. Yeah, I'm gonna be bearish just due to where the draws are. We are taking this 30-minute low inside the hourly, so you gotta be aware of that. Just some great displacement we're seeing. This is a pretty good retrace. I wanna see, we never broke. There's also no gap. Okay, we broke there. Again, possible bearish SMT. Okay. We are still rejecting out of that hourly. Man, this is tough to say what price wants to do. Reject out of the 4 hour. Rejecting out of the hourly. We're maintaining bullish structure. It just sucks how the next high is far away, but I guess price really doesn't give a shit how far away it is. Hopefully we can leave Okay. See, this is what's worrying me. Never broke back to the upside. Stone bearish. SMT. Inverse this 1 minute. Okay, why do I think we're bullish? Rejection of the 1 hour. Let's take a look here. Actually never came down to fill it. We have an SMT. Next draw's higher. It's a consolidation range. Bearish SMT out of this high. We maintained it. Another bearish SMT. I think just with because we're in this consolidation range and in 5-minute bearish order flow, even though we are rejecting out of this hourly, this is more consolidation. An hourly bullish structure. I mean, I'm not confident in this, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Like, what is this? Even if we put stops up there, they would actually go right here. 1 to 2. I mean, this is more of just rejection based. Bearish SMT did fill the hourly. Okay, the hourly gap is my only part that I'm scared about. Might as well try this though. It's a higher risk. Not very confident in it, but yep, stopped out immediately. It's completely fine with me. Might actually just go back in long. I don't give a fuck. Or I mean, that's not what I meant. I wouldn't go back in long, but I'd find an entry for longs. This is a retracing the EQ, I believe. Yeah. I want to see like a pullback into one of the 1 minutes. Okay, it's a 5-minute fill. I really just want a closure above those highs. Man, this is chop. Just, what is this? And we have F1C that I didn't even know about. Great. So, it's getting later, man. I'm not even take anything. So, within the 5-minute. Wonder if yeah, we closed so bearish there. This is gonna bang so easily as well. But, oh, I don't know what the fuck was going on with price. I am losing so bad. Really want to delete the session, bro. Getting in my own mental. Gotta calm down. Still win this week. Wait, I didn't even journal that. Oh my gosh. That was such a stupid trade. High risk trade. Price was rejecting out of the hourly gap with a higher time frame bullish bias, a higher time frame bearish bullish order flow. Like, I'm so bad at this shit. This market looks like shit. Like when the draws telling you, bro. Something so little happens, I'm gonna crash out. Like, I don't give a fuck. I'm so pissed right now. I feel like I've been doing this shit for so long. I just don't know where fucking market wants to go. It's so bad. Okay. Well, this is gonna already be a no trade day, I can fucking tell. Took out these hourly highs, another hourly high way above. Feel like price is overextended. Let's see. Okay, we broke structure. Not inside any 15 minute, we have a 30-minute low below, which is probably an hourly gap. Nope, the hourly gap got filled, we continued higher out of it. Same thing. That's the same thing. Really wouldn't expect anything less than to continue higher, but I'm willing to take shorts. I need to buy some mentorship or some shit, bro. Inverse the 1 minute. This isn't a proper retrace for me. But it will probably bang, just knowing fucking price. If we close below this low with displacement. Okay, we did exactly that. If this doesn't bang, I'm gonna kill myself. Bearish S&T. Extreme displacement over on ES. It's not even a 1-to-1 either. And it's just chop shit, bro. Is this news? It's from news. Can't take this. I just know we're gonna continue lower though. Thankfully, I didn't take that shit. I'm so fucking glad I didn't take that shit. Hopefully respect the 5 minute on ES. We did just take out the data high on MQ, and we're still holding this. All I'm waiting for is some sort of change in order flow to the downside. Oh, no, I wanted to take that. Right, do we even inverse it? Bro, like, I can't take that because we didn't inverse it, and there was, like, let me see if PB, we got an inverse right there. Oh my gosh. 30-second inversion. That would have been okay. Like, I can't with this strategy, bro. Every fucking time I know where price wants to go, it doesn't fucking work. It's never the strategy, bro. This is the worst shit I've ever done, bro. I don't even want to trade with fucking Powell speaking. Good enough pullback with an unmitigated hourly. Signs up the 30-minute high. Same here over on ES. Took out these external lows, or internal lows, I mean. 1 minute structure. We have a 1 minute gap there. Just gonna fucking take whatever I see, bro. Huge displacement here. Yes, it's close to the highs. 1 minute fill. If we get a closure above this high, I'm entering. Still need that closure. Now 2 doji wicks. Just lowered my entire displacement confidence. Powell's gonna come on the stage soon. Don't see why price would want to go any lower. We are inside a 4-hour gap, but this is just straight up. The higher time frame draws aren't there. This is enough of a retrace for me. If we could just close displacement, show me that market wants to go somewhere. Did break structure on NQ. Okay. Like, see right here could be a good entry. Just wait. Okay, if we get a closure, bro. Okay. Still 12 minutes before Powell comes on stage. Like, I don't even know where to put my stops. Let's just go and break even there. Please just. What is this, bro? You come down, stop me, I'll make a bullish SMT, and then inverse the 1 minute again. That was my re-entry. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck that was because of news that I banged. Price still wanted to continue higher after this. I was right, but this market's just manipulating me in every corner. Maybe it's not the strategy; it's just the fucking month. I can't with this market, genuine. What is this shit? Oh. Just really manipulated market. I know the bias every single day. I just cannot, for the love of trading, get an entry. I'm done. Like, journaling doesn't even help me anymore. I'm not even lying. Because, like, I swear market's out to get me. These fuckers are hunting my stops, bro. How did I do August other time? I back tested this before. August, I had a 46% win rate, 13 trades taken, and a 1 to 1.54. Somehow I did decent. Not decent, but it was not a piss. It wasn't down 7,400. It's fine. I'll make it all back this week. Give me a low key.
Space 44 Super.
All right, so I didn't even record.
August 25th. What am I on? August. It's a Sunday. Okay.
All right, what is good, boys?
Yeah, let's see.
Hey TJR, my mom said that I'm
August 24th. What?
not allowed to watch you.
2-minute lows right here as well. And during pre-market, I pretty much said, look.
Thursday, August 22nd. Did I lose money that day? Better.
All right, so I didn't even record. Let me ask Siri. What do we see here, though? A 4-hour big-ass imbalance here on NASDAQ. Same thing here on the S&P. 4-hour big-ass imbalance on NASDAQ and the S&P 500. So with that in mind, what do we want price to do? We want price to fill in this imbalance. And on top of that, we had some low leverage liquidity within here. So at the start of today, let me just remove all these drawings. This was market open. So we can go ahead and just put it right here. This is what I saw on market open, okay? I pretty much said, look, we're within this big imbalance. We have two options. Just like all the past days, we have two options. Either we come up, we fill in this imbalance more, we take out this draw on liquidity, and then we go down to take out these low leverage draws on liquidity. Again, this is rinse and fucking repeat, boys. We go to fill a high time frame imbalance or draw on liquidity, and then we're going to go seek out low resistance draws on liquidity, or we go and seek out low resistance draws on liquidity, and then we go to seek out a high time frame draw on liquidity or a high time frame imbalance. Okay, so boom, we see price leg up, sweep out these 15-minute highs, we fill in that high time frame draw on liquidity. Then what does price do? Immediately rip down to take out low leverage. Boom, draws on liquidity. Now also, there was two steps to this today. So because we had news, this is pretty much what I said. I said, look, we have two options. Either price is going to go up or price is going to go down. If I said if market opens and we come down and we sweep out these lows, I'm going to want to see price come up, fill in this imbalance more, and take out this 15-minute high. Same thing here on ES. I said if market opens and takes out these lows, I want to see price come up, take out these 15-minute highs, maybe these 15-minute highs, maybe even these highs all the way up here. That's exactly what price did. Market opened. And honestly, like, I wish I could have taken this trade. Market opened, took out those 15-minute lows, we get a break of structure, we get a BPR, boom, enter off that, long John Silver straight up to that high time frame draw. However, there was news at 10. That's what caused this candle. So in turn, I was not going to take that trade. Why? Because we had news. So I'm not going to be entering into longs knowing that Powell's stepping on stage at 10 for me to potentially get my booty piped. Okay, I'm just not going to do that. So I had to wait. We take out this high time frame draw on liquidity. Again, keep in mind, now, instead of being, guys, oh my gosh, this happens every single day. I literally get tingles and I get so excited teaching you guys about this shit because it's like the past 3 days it's been obvious every single fucking day. Okay?
Not for me. Gotta lock in. Okay. I'm gonna see where price is. Took out this 4-hour low, which was like yeah. Okay, we're continuing higher. Don't have any draws higher. We're within this daily gap, meaning we could reverse. We are significantly above all of these highs. We are significantly below all of these highs. We do have a bullish SMT. Higher time frame is bullish. What is this? What? Okay. Wait. This is different. This is so confusing, bro. We're above this high. We have this data high that we're also above. I'm just gonna wait. Let it play out a little bit. See how the 5-minute looks. I'm just gonna let price displace to where it wants to go. Okay. We are displacing a little bit lower. I want to see price break 5-minute on the both, and that would confirm the SMT. Beautiful. Even more beautiful that we left equal lows. Probably not gonna get an entry here. Fuck it, bro. I'm just short. Bam. 1 to fucking 1 to 3.36. Can't do that. Wish I could, because it looks like we're gonna take it and it looks super obvious. Should have just taken that. Okay. Did leave this internal high, or external high. They're taking Asia lows. Still are in this higher time frame uptrend. Actually, no, we're not. Depends what price shows. If we get an inverse and a break, still respecting that 1 minute. Just chopping around, really. Like, this market is so overextended. And, like, yes, we do have this external low. We do have all these bearish SMTs. 2 external lows. I just have a feeling this won't bang. Why? Just because we're overextended, I think price can push higher before it eventually comes down to those lows. So, like, but like, all of my fucking thought processes are wrong, bro. Like, this isn't strong displacement either. Like, oh my gosh, bro. And it's late. Like, of course, bro. This one's gonna bang and I'm not gonna take it. Oh my god. Oh. Taking every opportunity that I see on. I'm done with this bullshit ass. Fucking shit.
What if I told you that there's a way for you to start earning payouts with prop firms without
Shut
losing?
up.
All right, what is
If this dude took that short.
good, boys? We come up and we take out these high time frame highs. What am I going to be looking for? I'm going to be looking for shorts down into these low resistance draws of liquidity. But I also am going to be waiting for a 5-minute retrace because again, when we take out high time frame highs, relatively same entry, but an even better entry, low-key, would have been the sweep of these 1-minute highs and then boom,
What?
this. So maybe if I waited, I would have gotten a better entry than the one that I got, but it's okay. Anyways, price consolidates a little bit and then boom, floods all the way down to take out these 15-minute lows. The red arrow is where I entered, and then you can see, boom, we have the blue arrows on every.
Bro, he's never traded like that before. Or now he doesn't trade like that anymore. So, yeah, we get a sweep of these highs and enter after. Like, when has he ever done that? Genuinely have a headache at how bad I am at this shit. Swept out all these external lows. Market open. We are in 5-minute bullish. We are respecting an hourly probably. Just the fact that we took out all those lows where it really wants. I just need to get a winning trade where everything about my analysis is correct. Genuinely freaking out, bro. My confidence is so low. I need to see a stronger displacement up if I want to trade anywhere. You're respecting a 30-minute, so it really depends. Okay. Broke straight back down. Respected the 30. Look at this. We're not going to get an entry yet again. Look at how close we are to this low. Dude, this unmitigated 4-hour. Price is just gonna flood down, bro. It's not even fucking worth it. Yep. Okay, but now we took out all the draws to the downside. Huge potential for a bullish SMT. $10 a.m. news we gotta be aware of. Okay, just a cute little wick. 5 minutes bullish here. Have a 5-minute gap below. Swing high. Swing high. Swing high. Please, man. Tap into the 5-minute. Please. Equal, but it's not even a tap. I'd rather. This is such a weak candle to enter off of, but I'd rather trade it off of this bullish SMT here. Just look at all these, you just took them all, besides this one, we have equal. This is such a weak inverse, bro. Like, you're not gonna see a rejection wick anymore. I really need to see that 5-minute get filled. Watch, this one's gonna bang. Holy fuck, bro. Like, genuinely, what's the actual fuck? Oh my gosh, bro. Every trade, I don't take fucking bangs, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Like, what? Every trade, I don't take bangs. So depressing. So depressing. So depressing. Oh my gosh. Free trade, I'm like, oh, it's too risky. It's too risky, I can't take that. Oh, I lost so much this month. Falling into a depressive state. Bearish SMT, we broke hourly structure. Sweep. Hourly fill. Hourly fill. I'm gonna get it Asia lows below. Like, bro, I just want to take this.
I messaged you.
What?
Did you fix the thing?
Yep.
And did you see that AP exam announcement business?
Nope.
Oh,
I did, yes.
I didn't want to send it to you when it's so full. So you have to, did you plug in the dates that you have to be at class to take the exam?
No, not yet.
Do you want a Claritin or Zyrtec?
No, can you just...
What are you doing?
Nothing. Can you just go, please?
I want to know what you're doing.
Can you go? Oh my gosh. Please. No, go away.
I love you.
Love you. Can you shut my door, please?
Good night.
These are taking trades at fucking time. Just gonna fucking do whatever now. The low key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like maybe it's an over trading issue. Cause okay, lost 1.5k, 2.25k. These two, if I just took one trade on each of these days, I'd have what? 2,225 more. The other problem is just all my wins are so small compared to my losses. Okay, finally there's a natural win. Might just do another week, bro. Tap, continuing higher, obvious. obviously relative equal highs above. I don't know really where we're more bullish on. Like if I'm gonna trade against this trend, like that's just gotta be the most retarded thing I can ever do. Filled in that equilibrium. Way more bullish on NQ. Really want to see that 5-minute get filled on. Beautiful. Bullish SMT off of these lows would be great. Okay, beautiful. What I'm waiting for is a 1-minute change in order flow, so inverse would be great. So break and inverse. Okay, we broke. I'm gonna go ahead and enter this. Like, this isn't completely confident, bro. I feel like there is room to go lower on. Just gonna have this as wide stops. Maybe like below this 5-minute. So I really do think price could come and take these lows. Yes. Giving this trade some breathing room. Realistically, even if it comes down like any lower, there's no shot. Like if we break back to the downside, okay, I should go break even here, but think. Should have just taken all my profits there, bro. I gotta stop now. Taking partials. Trade. This is like an equilibrium range filled in that 4 hour, filled in that 4 hour. I still think this 4 hour isn't as relevant because we are respecting this 4 hour and we're just in overall higher time frame bullish. We did just manipulate this high and are potentially reversing. Kind of in a consolidation a little bit. Higher time frame draws, there really isn't any. Yeah, I'm gonna be bullish really for now. So we do have that. Complete fill the hourly 15-minute high and the swing high. Here. Just more 15-minute high than that hourly. Okay, good pullback. Really strong pullback that I'm not a fan of actually. However, it is making sort of a bullish SMT. We have that 5-minute bullish SMT as well. As long as we see an inverse. Okay. Really ideal, man. Could view this as sweep of these, but like we already got that outcome market. Not really the short, especially after this extreme bullish recovery with the bullish buys and a bullish SMTF market open. So it's that low. I mean, what is this? Well, that's a 15-minute high. More bullish on the higher time frame here. I really think that's just continuation. And whenever you see displacement lag like this, bro, please, please. How? Like, genuinely. So late now, it's like not even worth taking this. Remember where all my losses come from. So choppy. Done taking multiple trades per day though. So cannot execute on this. Thankfully I did not execute on it. I mean, price is really just chopping me out every one of these trades. It's not even funny, bro. Getting rage baited by these markets. Price is just chopping me out on every trade. Good execution. Good bias trading. Just draws. September's a new month. would have blown like so many fundeds that month. Do have a bullish SMT. Alright, time frame's bearish. You're a bit overextended. 10 a.m. news, of course. Let's skip the market open. Okay, we do a bearish SMT off this high. Market really is in this consolidation. We're more bearish. And a bit overextended. Check out that external low. Still in more lows. Lowering my test by stressing like this over some back testing. Super bearish. Just chopped up, man. Okay, that's low-key beautiful entry. .62. Jeez. Quick 1-to-1. I mean, bro, we rejected out of this one man that broke on this candle. We should just flood down. Thank you. Gotta be such an obvious setup. Super bearish 40. Asia highs. Just want to win every single day this week. Asia lows. Asia highs are up here. Extended Asia highs on the hourly. I'm gonna trade up to Asia highs. Looks like we're just gonna take it. This place like that on here, it always ends up being we're gonna take the highs right away. Even with this one, pull back. I mean, these are so bound to be taken. And we left a 5-minute gap below. Yeah. Okay. Real draws. We filled in that 4-hour higher time frame bearish trend. Completed that bullish SMT. Seen the inverse of this 5-minute. Jesus, shut up. It's got all these data and a huge rejection. Like data was already priced in. The fact that we took out all these low resistance lows. Our time frame's bearish. Bearish SMT off of Asia highs. And we did end up inversing that 5-minute on NQ. Still a rejection of the 5-minute bullish SMT potential. Really, we'll just stay patient on this. This could be a retrace to go lower. I say if we end up inversing this 1-minute gap, I'll go ahead and short. Yeah, this is not looking like a short because we just validated that bearish SMT. It's just the fact that price really does look like it wants to go lower. I mean, we filled in this 1-minute. Okay, now we inverse the 1-minute. Now it just looks like I want to take. I have no clue where market wants to go. I'm gonna keep it a buck. It just this is the more obvious setup here. But we already took and filled in the 4-hour here. Do I think price needs to refill? We have the bullish SMT. We just have the draws, bro. This unmitigated hourly. I guess we can trade up to. Let's start doing that. Unmitigated hourly. It's just the fact that we're in the 4-hour gap. You have no clue where price is going to reverse. It just looks like it's obviously going to go up. Take this for 0.84. Relative equal highs. I'm going to go ahead and enter. This was a decent pullback. This 1-minute and then inverse out of it. Man, that was an idiotic trade. Huh. Why did I do that? I literally said I didn't know where market wanted to go. Market was choppy. No, I mean, it was. I think it really was just choppy. I didn't really know what's it's going, and for some reason still. Just focus month to month, not on this number. Okay. Did manipulate Asia highs? Did we here? No. We have these stacked up 4-hour lows. This is the highest resistance of that lane. Okay. News that we had at 10 a.m. Okay. Okay. validated that bearish SMT. However, we are sweeping the draw. And no, we swept it on both. Our time frame wise is consolidation. We did fill that 4 hour, and it just the higher time frame looks bearish, but I need to see price reverse fast. Do have a 1 minute gap there. We are in this 5 minute. Those are here. Closure below that low. Okay. Now this will count as my retrace. I really want shorts off of this. Okay. Guess price doesn't want to go down. We did have 10 a.m. news. Completely forgot about. I mean, okay. I really thought because this was fill of a 4 hour gap that we didn't really care for that, but also I guess I didn't really notice that this swept out all these draws. It's getting later. We inverse the 5 minute. After making a bullish SMT. All I'm waiting for is 1 minute inverse. And we did end up delivering lower. PP CPI day. No, NFP day. I don't even want to trade this. Just throw on 930 and then analyze from there. Data highs. Broke hourly structure. Huge bearish SMT. And we're printing more bullish. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. Beautiful, man. Please, just give me an inch. Okay. 5 minute gap. Break of 1 minute structure. Internal draw to take profits at. Like whenever we get an internal low, I always want to be like, okay, this could sweep and continue higher out of that. We did fill the 5 minute. We should just displace lower, man. I like having stops at this body. I mean, I would rather, like, it's more confident when price just floods straight down, but. Okay. Thank you. Just take them, please. Thank you. Oh, so obvious for me. Instead of Friday, beautiful. To end off this shit. Whatever the fuck I'm going through. Boys. I don't know what's going on with me. Let's take a look at that month once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, more winning days than losing days. So, this is an overtrading issue. I mean, I would have, 7, 900, 1600, 2100, 2500, 26, 100. Oh, what? 1500, 2400, 3500. So 3500 if I just did 750 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I still would have lost a shit ton. But it would be way less. This is more our problem. This whole my like these past 2 months, man. Some deep frying me. This is my month. I'm locked in.